So, hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I'm here to present you the command block rotator 2.0. But before I get to that, I want to, address that I've been away for some time, as a couple of people noticed and, told me about, I guess. So yeah, I've been away. I think I made one video in the past 2 months or something. And I'm not saying that that will necessarily change, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, basically the reason for all of this inactivity is that there's some stuff happening IRL, and on top of that, there's I've also been doing a couple of projects online, which I either can't show or are unfinished or are not really worth showing on this channel. So yeah, that is the reason why I was away and why I may still be away for a bit. However, to those people who ask if I still make videos and filters, well, I guess this is the answer. Yes, I still do, but maybe not as often as in the past anymore. We'll see. So yeah, this is an improvement of an old filter, the command block rotator 1.0, which I will link to right now. If you want to see the purpose of the filter, it's basically exactly the same. So just click the video link, and I explained it pretty okay in there. I think at least I didn't get any comments saying that it was unclear, I think. So let me quickly show what the improvements are. First of all, you can have multiple sets of coordinates which are rotated at once, you could say, but actually the previous filter couldn't even rotate it in multiple filter sessions. So to demonstrate this, I made a way overcomplicated command, a clone command. That's what it effectively gets down to, but I just turned it into an execute command to make it a bit more complicated. So basically you just put a villager here, press clone, and it uses that villager to select the structure, and it's pastes it over here. Let me actually quickly move this one. There we go. And basically this just fills it with air. Bam. So basically that's the first function, which was improved. And the second function is that, well, there's a bunch of bugs fixed, one of which basically didn't allow you to use a command which ended on a coordinate, like clone. It will would give like problems and such, and also I think set block didn't always work. There were some commands which basically didn't really work. So yeah, that's also fixed. It now recognizes numbers too, even if they are at the very end of the command. What else? Also the clone command is fixed. Basically, you can work that on a piece of paper, simple geometry. But if you do a normal rotation of all of these vectors, which effectively is what these things are, vectors from the command, you will see that basically the last vector won't correspond to the lowest, the corner with the lowest coordinates of the selection anymore, which basically is what this input is about. So yeah, using a normal rotation, this last piece of this last set of coordinates wouldn't get rotated properly, and it would basically give a bad result. However, as you can see here, you just we need a filter actually. The filter actually made this, and this. That's what I built manually, and as you can see, the filter was able to cope with that fine, and it just rotated it as if it's well, you see, I mean the same. That's what I'm talking about always. I was talking about, right? So yeah, those are the main features. Let me just quickly show you that it also works in the other with the other rotations. So basically, that was the counterclockwise turn. This is a half turn, and then over here we got a clockwise turn. As you can guess, all of these work. Else I probably wouldn't be making this video, but I typically want to demonstrate this. To show you, basically to get the tutorial part done, I will make copy that one, turn it around into one of these, and then just run the filter so it works. So let me quickly just close my eyes and just go around for a bit, and we are going for the half turn apparently. So yeah, I'll meet you in a second, where we will do the half turn in MCEdit. So here we are in MCEdit. I quickly selected the structure. Now we're going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right here, I guess. right next to the original half turn. So this is just, oh actually I already messed up, I'm sorry guys. What we want is, I think this, I'm quickly check, yep. We want to rotate it twice of course. I'm just quickly gonna copy R. I'm gonna put it off now. So now we have a rotated selection. However, of course, it's only rotated the the actual blocks. It didn't do anything to the commands. They are still unchanged. So let's just select those and go to the filters. The command block rotate is 2.0. The angle we're going to use is half turn. This is basically exactly the same as in the first filter, so no explanation required. Now, the second input is new. Amount. Basically, this refers to the amount of sets of coordinates the filter has to change. If you put 1 in here, it will look for the first 3 coordinates, that's one set. And so basically that's 1 x, 1 y, and 1 z coordinates. And it will rotate those, and it will leave the rest alone. However, if you just have 100 in here or something, then it will, in like every normal command, it will just rotate everything, which is usually what you want. But if you want to limit it for some reason, you can do it here. Also, correct clone commands basically just is another one of these functions. I just explained that there was a bit of a thing I had to do to get around clone commands not fully working. Basically, I don't actually rotate the last command, last set of coordinates purely, you could say. I basically edit it for a bit to make it work better. But if you for some reason don't want that function, you can just turn it off here. Although I advise you to keep it on. So basically we're just gonna filter, save, and I think that's gonna be about it. So let's meet you back in Minecraft. So here we are back in Minecraft, and yeah, let me just quickly get a villager in here. We're going to press the button, and as you can see, everything works perfectly fine. Both commands have been rotated properly. So yeah guys, that's going to be about it. As always, the download for the filter will be in the description in case you want to get that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you in another video.